The brand and marketing director of Dito Telecommunity, Mr. Jasper Evangelista.
Thank you, thanks. Thank you. Wow! Napakaganda ng ating simula, no? Did you hear the inspirational talk from our bosses here? As you can see, the campaign Kaya Dito, is not just a brand campaign, it's not just a slogan. It's really deeply rooted. Okay? Tsaka may nation-building aspect to it. No? That's how we strategize here. It's not just, personal goals. It's about like uplifting the entire community. So, we're all here to celebrate milestones, but I gladly welcome everybody and encourage all of you to step out of your what-if mindsets, no? When it comes to internet connectivity. Allow me to take you to the deeper thinking behind the newest movement, which is Kaya Dito. These are the questions that want you to think about. What if you don't have to settle? Let's say for lag, for better connectivity, for expiring load bigla nawawala. What if you don't have to settle for those things? What if Wi-Fi can be easier to access? And always on. No? What if? All these what if scenarios are all along, but for far too long, we Filipinos have been settling a bit, no? I mean, before Dito came in, parang we're settling to this, we've been desensitized to the pain points, no? Of telco. So parang the service, the connection, the lag. Okay, so for far too long, we have been settling. We're settling for connections that are not simply up to speed or too expensive even for the offerings. We've always settled for the pwede na mindset, no? And we all know the Filipinos deserve better. So the answer to all of these what ifs is simple. Kaya Dito. Can you see that with me? Kaya Dito. 1, 2, 3. Kaya Dito. It's kind of empowering, no? Kasi the word dito, it's everywhere. Kasi kung lupa, nandito ka rin, di ba? Pag nandito ako, pag sabihin mo kaya dito, you're making a stand. For everybody here, even if you're press, kunyari. Okay, if you make a stand, kaya dito, you can do it by yourself, di ba? And hopefully we can empower you to do that. That's why this is a very compelling tagline. It really applies to any Filipino. It stands for like, yung galing ng Pilipino talaga. Okay? Tsaka Pilipinas mismo. Okay? So let me take you through the First off, it's really a calling out, di ba? I mentioned, it's a calling out of the status quo, parang standards, okay? Na mabagal yung internet. So, right now, Dito is actually challenging the norm. We're here to challenge that, as mentioned by our bosses. Okay, serving the evolving needs of Filipinos, empowering telecommunities. That's the most important thing. Can you go to the next slide? Okay, so the messaging here is threefold, okay? And it was touched on already by Sir Eric and Sir Adel. So first, kaya mo, you can. Customer centricity, okay? At the very forefront. Kaya mo yan. We want to inspire everybody. Kaya niyan, empower you with our technology. Very inclusive. We're lowering the barriers for everybody. Okay? Number 2, kaya namin. Okay? We listen to you guys. We have research every day. We listen to what you need. Ano yung mga reklamo sa social media and everything. And we try to react to that talaga. We really try to do our best to serve. Okay? And how can we cater to the needs of the Filipinos? So, kaya namin. Kung hindi namin kaya, kakayanin namin. That's how driven the team is. Speaking of team, nakita mo yung mga jacket namin? So, para kami mga collegiate, di ba? Di ba? Mamaya, yung bosses namin, nakaganto na rin later. Pero that's the mentality inside dito. Speaking as an employee, parang kayo nasa college, iba yung energy. Believe me, iba yung energy. Everybody's counting on each other. Yung being the underdog, everybody's more, raring to go and serve. Ang galing ng feeling, and I feel that sets us apart versus, others. Yeah, and that translates in our work. Okay, siningit ko lang yung jacket, pero that's really the energy that we have. No? Very youthful. The last is, kung kaya mo, kaya namin ibigay sa inyo, kaya dito na kayo. Okay? That's the other pronunciation of kaya, no? And it's a choice. Dito, the best for us, just join the bandwagon. And dito is ranked, top choice, highly recommended by subscribers. And research says this, to those who have tried dito, they really stay with us. And the funny thing is, they share it with their relatives and friends. Kaya, kunyari iba sa inyo, hindi ba nakadito rito? Ask your relatives, sigurado may nakadito na dyan. And they're gonna rave about it. Okay? Bigger chances they're gonna rave about it. And that's the testimonial which you can't pay for advertising or branding. None. It's really coming from the people. Yeah? Isn't that great? Okay. Next slide. Ay, ito na ba yung ano? So, what I'm here actually to show you the video, okay? It's actually a video which symbolizes us moving past the pwede na, okay? What are the what ifs? What are the pain points right now in the telecom industry, and how Dito can answer those questions and really empower everybody? Sasabihin, kaya nga dito, kaya dito. Okay, so you may have seen this already because we launched last week on social, but just for those who haven't, okay, we want to show you this video which spotlight the everyday moments of people and how Dito really helps empower them in their everyday life. So, without further ado, I'll show you the video. Maraming salamat po.
Pag lagi na lang bitin, mapapa-what if ka na lang talaga. What if sulit ang data mo? What if consistent ang connection sa bahay? What if lahat ng to kaya dito? Dito, you can do more with long validity. More kawanan para sa lahat. With the fastest mobile network in the Philippines. Kaya dito tayo mapag-gaming,